put it in a simpler way, my mindset has changed over the years.
So, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Puja. How are you?
I am good. What's about you, ma'am?
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm also doing good.
Okay,
Yeah.
great.
So tell me something about yourself, Puja. Where are you from? What do you do?
I am Puja Kumari. Currently, I am doing the backend executive job
Okay.
in a company in an organization, and
Okay.
also as well as I am learning selling skills and also learning English speaking. And I am living in New Delhi.
Oh, so you're talking from the capital of India, New Delhi.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So where are you from? Your native place. Which place do you belong to?
I belong to basically my native place is in Kolkata.
So you are from Puja. We never say basically my native
Not
place. Like
okay.
I am from Kolkata because there is
I'm
no need
from
of basically because you are from Kolkata. Okay. There's
okay,
no,
okay.
so because that's not going to change, right?
Yes, right,
Yes.
right.
So you can just put it in a very simple way. I am from Kolkata, right? Okay,
I'm
Puja?
from Kolkata.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make it simple, Puja. So
Okay.
can I correct you as we progress? Is it okay if I correct you as we
Yes, yes,
progress? Yeah.
yes.
So I'm Shereen Nandakumar, your coach for the day, and I'm from right south, Chennai, settled in Chennai for the last 30 years.
Okay, great.
But my hometown is in Kerala.
Okay,
But I've been living in Chennai and working in Chennai for the last 30 years. Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So Pooja, you were saying that you were working for a firm, isn't it?
It's an organization, it's a company.
It's a company. Okay. And what do
Yeah.
you do there? You're working as a sales representative?
Sales as well as back office also.
Back office also. So you're managing
Yeah.
both. Oh, you need great
Yes.
talent for that. I feel it's
Yes.
now the world is running on, people, how they manage. That is, and there I feel your communication skill matters a lot, isn't it?
Yes, right.
That's why you thought you should brush up your English by joining Clapingo, isn't it?
Yes, right, right, ma'am.
But being in Delhi,
Hmm.
how is it in your organization? Most of them they speak in English. You communicate. Do you communicate in English with each other?
No, not most of all people speak in Hindi.
Oh, mostly people communicate in Hindi. Yo, that's the problem
Yeah,
you are facing, isn't it so?
yeah.
So you are, though being in Delhi, you are not getting an opportunity to speak in English, right?
English. Yeah, right,
Yeah,
right.
yeah. I totally understand, Pooja. So, did you get time to look through the session notes today?
Yes, I have. I get it.
You looked through it. So, it's a very interesting topic, isn't it? Social media.
Yes, social media. Yes, right.
See, it's because of the social media, even we are able to interact with each other.
Yes, right.
Yeah. So, what
Hmm.
do you have to say in your, because nowadays, people have varied opinions about social media. Many
Hmm.
people have started to believe that, social media is doing more harm to us than good.
Hmm.
Do you believe in it? What is your viewpoint? Can you speak about it for 1 or 2 minutes? Your
Okay,
personal opinion, yeah, about social
okay.
media. Yeah.
So first of all, for my opinion is about social media is for my perspective, I see a lots of opportunities in social media.
Mm.
So social media gives means nowadays social media is it's like online platform. You can start your business, you can start up, you can if you have any idea, then you have to just create through online this social media platform. You can express your talent, your point of views, your ideas, and also you can help also. Okay, because
Mm-hmm.
earlier it was very difficult to talk to anyone, communicate, to help also. But nowadays it is very easier to communicate, and as well as we can help each other, like shared as any kind of help they are need. So for my perspective, social media is very awesome platform, very helpful for me, because in this I when actually earlier I have also a wrong thought, like my parents told me that you don't surf the in net, don't surf the internet too much.
Don't browse the internet too much.
Okay, don't browse the internet too much, because there were not good people uh, in social media.
Mm.
So that time my mind means I was like, my mind that time my mind was in fixed mindset. But now currently I grown my mindset, I am in growth mindset. From there I learned so much that if you not to go into the social media platform, online platform, then you can't express yourself, and even you can't earn also, earn and help also. So
Mm-hmm.
if you want to, like right now you are helping to me to improve my English. Okay,
Mm.
so
Mm.
if this social media, if I don't believe this kind of stuff, means social media is harmful for me, that kind of thinking if I think, then I can't then I did not join this class.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
did not join this class. So my social media is very useful for me, and nowadays I'm learning too much, and I'm also attending so much webinar, so much code attending so much courses,
Mm.
learning also through the social media. So
Okay.
it is helpful for me.
Very good, Puja. You have put forward the points very clearly. Okay, like you have spoken mainly the pros, that is, the benefits of social media. I mean, you have put it in a very nice way. Like, today's world, it's very important. So the right word which we should use is use the social media judicially. We have to be careful. Okay,
Okay,
judicially. That means,
judicially.
Judicially, so that
Okay.
we don't simply sit and browse and waste time looking into others, this, that, and all those things. That
Mm,
won't work. But as you said, if you have a purpose, it's the best
mm.
platform. Now, Pooja, I've just jotted down a
Yes.
few mistakes which you have made, which I will be
Okay.
correcting. I see a
Okay.
lots of, I see a lot of good. There is no need of lots. Okay, I see a lot of good,
Okay.
lot
Okay.
of good. That's all. S is not required. Okay. Then the way you pronounce earlier. See, R, when the position of R is after the second or third position, it's literally silent. For example, CAR. How do you pronounce?
C card.
Once again,
CAR. CAR is card.
it's Ka. There is no R. When we say,
Okay.
I
Car.
have a Ka.
Okay.
Yes, you check. You
I
check
have
the
a car.
Google and Ka. The R is
Okay.
silent. Okay, so in the same way,
Okay.
when you are saying EARLIER, how will you pronounce? Let both the R's be silent. Then how will you say?
Al- Earlier.
Yeah,
Earlier.
earlier, earlier,
Earlier. Earlier. Oh,
earlier,
earlier.
earlier. Did you see? Have you heard both the R's?
Repeat it again.
Earlier,
Earlier.
earlier, earlier. I was
Okay.
there. We never say
Earlier.
earlier. The earlier, the R is
Okay.
literally silent in most of the places. We have a strong R when it comes in the beginning of the second place. CRACK, crack. Okay,
Correct.
that
Okay.
the R
Okay.
is there. But after
Yes.
that, you have to be very careful when you pronounce R. Most of the places, it's silent. Keep this in mind,
Okay.
okay? Whenever you,
Okay.
because
Sure.
you were talking about early, you kept on saying earlier quite a few times.
Yes. Yes.
So that's so be careful when you pronounce R, okay? R.
Okay.
And even when we are saying it is sound, R,
R.
R, okay?
Uh, so how do I R means A
R,
R
R.
R
The phonetics of
R
just car,
R. Okay.
earlier,
Okay.
okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Curl,
Okay.
it's curl, curl, curl,
Call.
curl,
Call.
curl.
Yes.
R is
R
literally
silent.
not, R is silent,
Okay.
okay?
Okay. Okay. Understand.
Pork, Pork, pork.
Pop.
Yeah, we never say
R
R,
is silent.
R is silent, okay? Whenever
Okay.
you,
I
yeah,
understood.
be a bit care. Care, we never say care, no, it's care.
Care.
To care for others, to care,
To care.
care. It's
Care.
literally silent.
Care. Care.
Now, I'll give
Okay.
you a homework after my
Hmm.
class. Now it's night, evening, right? Go
Yes.
to YouTube and how to pronounce R. Just look through all those things. They will say very
Okay.
clearly.
Sure.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that's it. I have also wrong thought. I have also wrong. That's also not correct. I thought it. What you can say is, I also had a wrong thought,
Okay.
or I had a wrong belief, whatever it is,
I
or I
had a wrong. Yes.
believe, or I thought it wrong. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, and then I am in growth and mindset. You said now what you're trying to say is now my mindset has changed over the years. So what you were trying to say is I am in growth mindset. That's what you said. I just wrote it down,
Yes.
whatever you
Yes.
said.
Yes. Yes.
So you
Yes.
can put it in a simpler way. My mindset has changed over the years.
Yes. Right.
That's
My
what you were
mindset.
trying to say, isn't it so? That's
Yes.
what you were
Right.
trying
Right.
to say. Yeah?
Yes. Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Then one more thing, the thing is, you said, if not for the social media, I did not join Clapingo. Like what you would have said is, I would not have joined, or you
Okay.
understood? Yeah, I would not have joined Clapingo if not for the social media.
Yes. Yes.
Is it
Okay.
correct? Not I did not
Yes.
join. Yeah, that usage is not
I
correct.
wouldn't have joined.
Correct. I wouldn't have
Yes.
joined Clapingo if not, because you got to know about us from the social media.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Pooja, you are very expressive. The way you are putting in the facts and matters, it's all correct. The problem is, sentence formation. That's what you should know,
Okay.
and you should be aware about the tenses, use of tenses. Whenever you are speaking about something in the past, you have to use simple past tense. When it is past and over, and something now, what is about facts, that's when we use simple present.
Okay.
It's hot in Chennai. It is hot in Chennai. This is the main verb, simple present. You are talking about a fact. Delhi is the capital of India, right?
Yes.
Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument.
Okay.
Okay,
This is
so
the.
all simple present, we are talking about facts.
Yes.
The child eats an apple I eat an apple every day in the morning.
Okay.
That's also a fact.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
you got it. So about facts, we
Yeah.
use
Yeah.
simple
Yes.
present. And now I'm asking you, today is Wednesday. What is your plan for the weekend? Can you speak for 1 minute? What's your plan for the weekend? What will you do during the coming Saturday and Sunday? It's the
Coming
future.
Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah,
It's
it's the
the
future.
future.
So what will you say? I mean, which is the main verb which will you be using?
Will.
Will,
It
correct.
will. Will
Very good.
shall.
Will and shall.
Yes.
Now, can you tell me
Yeah.
in 4 5 sentences what you're planning to do during the weekend?
I will do. I will watch movie
Very
and
good.
as well as I will learn some selling skills to
Hmm.
enhance my selling, and
No, one
I will
minute.
also
Puja,
learn.
Puja, wait a minute. Instead of saying the word selling, isn't marketing a better word to use? I'll improve my marketing skills. Isn't it so?
I will improve my marketing. Yes, right.
Right?
It's
Yes
right.
or no?
Yeah.
Because, see,
Yes, right.
I'm not in your profession and I'm not very familiar with all these terms, but within my limited knowledge of, the field, so I'm just telling you, selling doesn't sound so good. Isn't marketing a
Yes, right.
better word to use? Yeah.
Yes, yes,
So
marketing.
so I'll do something to improve my marketing skills. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Carry on. And then
And as well as I will go through the session notes and sessions, Clapingo sessions video,
very good.
and
Yeah.
I will definitely enhance my English speaking also.
English speaking skills. So you should go
Okay.
through the session notes as well. The vocabulary given is very good. And
Hmm.
actually, in the beginning, we had two beautiful idioms. You're familiar with idioms?
Yes.
What do you
Yes,
mean by
idioms.
social media to go viral? What do you mean by that?
Social means actually it happens to me. One actually I have a YouTube platform, and
Really? Wow.
yes, it's
Okay.
named Foodie Funda, and
Oh.
for there one video go to viral through the
One video not go to viral. It has already happened. So what is the right way? Which is the right word to use?
one video went to go to
When
viral.
not to went viral.
Okay, one video went viral.
Wow.
Okay,
Oh, really, Puja? That's really nice. Good to hear that. So
yes,
you're very familiar with it. So to go viral means to become very popular.
yes,
Yeah? Yes. So one
yes.
video went viral. Okay, good. So the other one, the new reel has gone viral on Instagram. So Puja Kumari's video has gone viral on
Okay.
YouTube or Instagram or wherever it
Or
is.
Insta, yes,
Next,
yes.
what do you mean by to surf the net?
Means browsing the internet.
Yes, to browse or look through the content. Okay, to
Yes,
browse or look through the content on the internet, right? All the
internet.
contents.
Yes,
It's content,
yes.
okay? What is there on the
Content. Okay,
content? What is given? I am content with the content. It's the same word.
okay.
What do you mean by content? I'm
Con-
content,
content means
happy, satisfied. I'm happy,
okay,
that is content. The same word has another meaning and it's pronounced differently. It is content. What's on the web?
okay,
What is in
okay,
it? Keep this in mind. Okay?
okay. Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's it. We have just last. So Pooja, what do you do to improve your English now? Quickly, I want you to read regularly.